Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I've been in the waitlist for this item for quite some time now. I'm just so lucky to have such a wonderful SA who got me first dibs when they finally restocked at my local Louis Vuitton store. According to her, it's one of the items that's really hard to get a hold of, at least in that particular store. So much for that. Now let's open this baby. Okay, so here I have the box there and the receipt. Okay. Okay, so as you know by now, this is the Louis Vuitton 16mm adjustable strap in monogram canvas, and it retails for 13,100 pesos here in the Philippines, and I got it from Greenbelt 4. When I was waiting for it to become available, I stalked the most popular luxury resellers here in the Philippines in Instagram for the best deal, and I found out that they range from 16,000 to 21,000 pesos for brand new or pre-loved ones. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for this one to arrive. So here, the canvas for this item is quite stiff because, as you can see, it is made up of two pieces of canvas sewn together. Okay, so at the front side you can see the flowers from the monogram print, and on the flip side, the Louis Vuitton logo. Okay, there's also two pieces of untreated vaqueta leather used to hold down the strap, and it includes a shoulder pad, which is great because it makes it a lot more comfortable to wear in longer periods. They also added this smoothed out spike grip underneath so it won't slip off your shoulders. You have 7 settings for this strap. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can use it as a crossbody or a longer shoulder strap. And as for the measurements, let me just dismantle this. Okay. For the shorter strap, this one, it measures okay, it measures about 28 centimeters, excluding the hardware. And for the longer one, about 92 centimeters. Alright, so the hardware for this item is in gold. Let me just show you the swivel snap hooks up close for reference. There. Okay. So Guys, I chose this item because of its versatility. I watched a lot of YouTube videos where they use this strap as a belt. They just attach a round clasp in one of these holes where they would fasten the swivel snap hook. And it can also be used in different bags like the pochette accessoire, the multi-pochette, the speedy, the alma bibi, and so on. They also use conversion kits for the toiletry pouches where they put an organizer with a D-ring on both sides. So you can say that you get the most bang for your buck when you get this item. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope you like this video. For those who've been looking forward or have been planning to buy this LV piece, I hope this video helped with your decision. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and please do support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell. Bye!